Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today. This is the first unboxing since I've done, I want to say maybe since March, so it's been a hot minute, but I have a new bag for you. It's sitting in the background right here. So I ordered this bag and another bag is coming, but I still have to wait a few days for that to get here. So I wanted to share one of the bags that I ordered during the Singles Day sale. If you guys are not familiar with Singles Day sale, I think this is the first year I've seen it really be big, even here in the US. So Singles Day was November 11th, and as part of that sale, a lot of the international retailers that are based out of Europe had really good sales going on. So I was able to take advantage of that myself during the Singles Day sale promotion. So as you can see, the bag is not from Louis Vuitton, Gucci, or anything like that. So it's not from a premium designer, but the brand is called A.P.C. I think, of course, in French, it's probably pronounced differently, but it's a French designer. They do some really beautiful leather pieces, and I've been wanting to buy a plain brown leather bag, and I've had my eyes on a couple of the pieces from this designer specifically during the sale. So I ordered two different styles from them. One style I will unbox and reveal today, and then there will be another video unboxing the other one. So I'm likely going to keep only one. So let me share what I ordered first, the one out of two. So it comes with a dust bag, shows A.P.C on here. I ordered this bag from Satir. For you guys who are not familiar, they are a Europe-based, kind of like Farfetch. So they have a lot of different designers, and they have a lot of good deals on the brands because they ship directly from Europe. I think this one came from Italy, so it only took a few days to ship. It got here really quickly, and then I was able to get this on a discount, and I'll reveal the price information like that after I unbox it. So this is what's in the dust bag. It's covered in a protective plastic, so I'll take that off. And here is the bag. So this is the, I think, new this season, so I wasn't able to see a lot of reviews or unboxings or any kind of videos like that here on YouTube much, so I thought I would go ahead and be kind of the first few people who share the experience on YouTube here. So this is called the Sarah logo bag. It is the bag that comes with like a longer strap, and I can show you after I undo the strap packaging as well. It has two pouches kind of put together. It does not come apart though, so this is just how the bag is. If you guys are familiar with how the Celine Trio is shaped, it's similar to that, except it is a bit thicker towards the bottom, so it gives you a little bit more room to store your belongings. This is in a very true brown, I would say. I think it's showing pretty well on the screen. And like I said, it comes in a beautiful long strap that's adjustable, so I just pulled the strap out. So you can see the strap is quite long right now, but it can be adjusted to make it a little bit shorter. And then it has two zip openings. Not sure if you can see. Okay, and then zips start on the opposite ends, so it makes it a little bit easier, if you will, so that zippers do not compete with each other. And then let me just open these up. Okay, so I can't get the second zipper open no matter what I'm doing. So this might be a defective. It might be the paper that's inside that's preventing from this to open, but I also don't want to break the bag, which is disappointing because, like, look at this. Zipper is really tight to begin with, and I can't open it. So I may need to send this one back no matter what happens. So the front pocket, you can see it's just one opening. It doesn't have any compartments or anything like that. It's already a small bag to begin with. It doesn't have slip pockets. The back pocket is supposed to be the one that has a slip pocket in there. So without being able to open the second zipper at all, this is what it looks like. So it looks like the bag might be defective, which is unfortunate. I can't even open it. And actually, the zippers look kind of worn, although the bag is brand new. Anyway, so that's what the bag looks like. Given that I could use it at full capacity, this would be able to fit all my belongings, but the second pouch is defective. I can't open it, so I'm gonna have to send this back without being able to really test out what I can fit in here, which is not what I was expecting when I unboxed this bag. So anyway, to give you a little bit of a better idea, it does fit my iPhone XR no problem, like that in here. And let me fit a couple of different items that I currently carry in my other purse. All right, so I grabbed a couple of my other belongings to see what else can fit in here. So I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch that fits well with my phone in it even, so it's like that. And then my AirPods in here, that also fits well. I don't want to push it too much, so let me see if this zips. Okay, so that zips pretty comfortably, and if I could open the second pouch up, I will see what else I can fit in here, assuming I have filled the other one up with my phone, my key pouch, and my AirPods case. So in the other pouch, I'll probably put my keys, which is in the Louis Vuitton 6-string key holder. Can probably fit my Chanel compact mirror, a couple small bits in there like my pack of gum and my hand cream, and then a hand sanitizer. See if that'll all fit. I would normally have like a lipstick or two in here as well. And then see if that zips. All right, that zips here pretty well as well. Yeah, and it will fit all like that. So it doesn't look like I can do much of an organization because this is already a pretty small pouch, but I would say it still fits all the essentials that I need. I'm currently carrying, okay, I will be able to fit a lip in here too. So I'm currently carrying the Gucci Super Mini Marmont. So compared to that, it's about double the capacity, I want to say, and it's a gorgeous bag. As you can see though, it's a smooth leather, so I know it will have some scratches and wear over time, but I didn't really mind that because I knew that this was going to be a smooth leather going in, and I just really love and adore the color and the style. It's just a shame that this bag they sent seems to be defective, and I don't want to, you know, break it before I'm able to send it back, so I'm not going to bother with it. But if it weren't a defective bag, I think this would be a good one because you can wear it on your shoulder as a long shoulder bag. So this is quite long right now. Let me just show you real quick. So as you can see, just keep in mind I'm 39 weeks pregnant, so it's gonna fit a little bit weird. But anyway, this is on, I think, the longest setting right now on the strap. Okay, no, this is not on the longest setting, but it's on the third hole from the bottom. I can wear it as a long shoulder bag, which still fits pretty comfortable like this. And if I keep it long, I can kind of wear it as a short crossbody. It's a very comfortable fit, even though the strap is somewhat thin. But if you wanted to adjust the shoulder strap, because they have 2 more holes on top, it's definitely more of a comfortable shoulder length. I think this kind of matches how short my push and Matisse is, and then you can still crossbody it, but very, very short, which I don't mind because it fits pretty close to your body like that. So anyway, that's a quick and short, kind of a disappointing unboxing from A.P.C. I have another bag coming. I think that'll be a better piece for me to begin with. It's a completely different style. It's a little bit more formal, so I will be sharing that bag with you here on YouTube. It's kind of a shame that this bag is defective and I'll have to send it back. But if you've been considering buying this bag, I think the quality is amazing and it fits quite a bit. I want to say almost as much as how I will be able to, how much I'll be able to fit in my pajama tees, which is pretty impressive. And yeah, it's a good alternative to some of your premier designers. So getting into the price point, this bag currently retails for $460 here in the United States. There are some retailers that carry this brand. I think Bloomingdale's actually carries A.P.C leather pieces. You can get it on discount because it's not excluded in a lot of the discount codes. I personally got mine for $295 in USD, and I still was able to get cash back through Rakuten, and that was 5% cash back or something like that. So it totaled up to be about $280, including the cash back. So it means I saved about $200 on this bag, which is great, but it looks like the second pouch zip just does not work, so I'll have to send it back. But anyway, since I am probably one of the very few people who have done a video on this bag so far, let me know if you have any questions. I think it's a great bag. Definitely a great alternative to the Celine Trio with a similar style and as beautiful of a quality and beautiful leather it is. But I'm going to have to send this back because the zipper doesn't work. So maybe it made the decision easier for me because I was only going to keep one bag out of the two. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And as I said, let me know if you have any questions or comments about this bag below. And I will see you in my next unboxing, hopefully with a better unboxing experience.